In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on Google Drive. Fix today here. Let's begin. Have you ever worked on a group project where everyone keeps sending different versions of the same file, like version 1, final version, or final? It quickly becomes confusing trying to figure out which file is the latest. Google Drive solves this problem by allowing everyone to work together in the same file in real time. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com, then log into your Google Drive account, locate the file or folder you want to collaborate on, right-click it, go to Share, then click Share again. At the top of the sharing window, click the Add People and Groups box and type the email addresses of your teammates. Next, use the drop-down menu on the right side of the email field to choose their access level. You can set them as viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on what permissions you want them to have. If needed, type a short message in the message box explaining the project or file, then click the blue Send button. Now let's open a shared document, highlight a sentence or a section of text, then click the floating Add Comment icon on the right side. It looks like a plus sign inside a speech bubble. Type your feedback into the comment box. You can also type the @ symbol followed by a teammate's email address to assign them a task directly from the comment, then click Comment or Assign. You can also click Show All Comments in the upper right corner to review every discussion in the document. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.